There are so many devices that we connect to over Bluetooth these days. Some people don't worry about the battery all that much and keep Bluetooth enabled at all times. However, others prefer to toggle Bluetooth on or off manually. And that's where problems started for some users. Namely, some of them report that Bluetooth automatically turns on Android. Likewise, there are reports about a similar occurrence on iPhones. If you want to fix this, check the instructions we provided below. Table of contents. How do I stop my Bluetooth from automatically turning on? 1. How to stop Bluetooth from turning on automatically on Android. As far as we are aware, there's no functionality, unless you use automation apps, that enables Bluetooth automatically on Android. There's a Bluetooth feature that scans for devices in the proximity of your phone and, sometimes, it will prompt you to connect to those devices. For example, this happens with my Galaxy Buds and Samsung phone. However, there are reports that Bluetooth will turn on and auto-connect on some OnePlus devices. And it seems that this occurs because, believe it or not, Bluetooth scanning in location services turns Bluetooth on. To avoid this, all you need to do is to disable Bluetooth scanning and that won't happen again. Here's how to disable Bluetooth scanning on your Android device. Open Settings. Select Location. Enable Location and open Location Services. Disable Bluetooth scanning. Bluetooth automatically turns on. On the other hand, if that doesn't work, you can try resetting network settings by following the instructions in this article. 2. Stop Bluetooth from turning on automatically on iOS. On the other hand, iOS does indeed have an option to automatically turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi later. We are not aware of any bugs that cause a similar problem as on Android, so it's most likely that you're unaware of how the control center button/tiles for Bluetooth work. If you restart your device, Bluetooth will automatically turn on. In addition, there are shortcuts, automation, that can enable Bluetooth, but that's something you'll need to configure and run beforehand. In addition, if you just toggle Bluetooth off from the control center, it will turn on its own tomorrow or at a later time. So, to prevent Bluetooth from automatically turning on, you'll need to go to Settings Bluetooth and toggle off Bluetooth there. The difference between tiles is that the tiles for permanently disabled Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are colorless and the tiles for temporarily disabled Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are white by default. With that, we can conclude this article. In case you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them with us in the comments section below. Thank you for reading and we look forward to hearing from you. There are so many devices that we connect to over Bluetooth these days. Some people don't worry about the battery all that much and keep Bluetooth enabled at all times. However, others prefer to toggle Bluetooth on or off manually. And that's where problems